Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you the recipe of crushed peanut laddu. This laddu preparation doesn't involve the preparation of jaggery syrup. It can be done in a maximum of 20 to 25 minutes. Let's see how to do it. For this, take 1 cup of groundnut or peanut, these are raw ones, and half a cup of mashed jaggery. You need not use proper measuring cups. Whatever cups you have at your disposal, you can use them. Use 1 cup and half a cup. Now, take a wok, put on the flame, use low flame. We have to dry roast these groundnut till they are little brown in color. Do not overburn them, otherwise the laddu taste will be bad. Now, after 3 or 4 minutes after roasting, transfer them into a plate. Let them come down to room temperature. Next, after 5 minutes, crush them gently with hand and take off the peel. It's okay if peel is left over on few nuts. See, like this. Now, transfer them into a mixer jar and using pulse mode, just grind them once. Let some nuts be retained in it. Need not be soft mixture. See, like this. Now take that half cup jaggery which is kept ready and transfer it into the mixer jar and just using pulse mode. See, after 30 seconds the mixture is like this, and do it again twice or thrice. See, this is the second time. I have done it again using pulse mode for 30 seconds. This is the third time. We have to keep on doing it till the mixture becomes very soft and we would be able to hold it as a laddu. This is the third time. This is the fourth time. Scrape the walls every time you do it. And now I am able to hold it, give it a shape. So this is the final time. And now we can transfer this mixture into a plate. We shouldn't over grind it because the oil in the groundnut would come out and we won't be able to roll them into laddus. It would be very greasy. Now just gently bind everything together so that jaggery and nut powder would be equally distributed. Now roll them into laddus. That's it. We are done with the preparation of crushed peanut laddu or crushed groundnut laddu. These would be good for 15 days if stored properly in an airtight container. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do share it among your friends and relatives. And for more interesting recipes, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, please post them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.